Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my tutorial video. Guys, in today's video, I'm gonna introduce you people to two new concepts of editing in Premiere Pro, okay? Now, the one thing is Ripple Delete and the other, guys, is the Ripple Edit tool, okay? Now, Ripple Delete is not exactly a tool, guys, but according to me, it's quite a good function, okay? And I think that you guys, at least a beginner should be knowing about it. And the Ripple Edit tool is actually a tool, okay? It's located right over there. The keyboard shortcut is a letter B on the keyboard. Okay, so guys, first guys, we would like to actually I'm gonna delete all these clips, okay, and I'm gonna put them in again. So I'm gonna bring these two clips first. I'm just gonna bring them over here, and guys, I'm gonna bring it over here. Now guys, take a look what actually guys, I'm doing this purposely just to show to you what exactly this Ripple Delete do. Okay, now just imagine guys that when you are working with any of your Premiere Pro projects, okay, and guys, you have, like, say, actually guys, let me just show it to you. Oh, why to assume things? Yeah, now say guys that when you are working like this and you are creating a project, and say guys that you have that you had thought before that you may have some use of this clip and you brought it into your timeline, but now you feel that no man, we really don't need this clip in this project. So guys, one of the very cool ways that I think that you can delete a clip is by doing this. Select the clip, okay, make sure that this clip is selected, do a right click guys, and do a Ripple Delete. The option is right over here. If you click on it, what happens is guys that you will get rid of the clip, okay, and the space that is there, okay, which is left between the second and my fourth clip, okay, that automatically disappears, and the space is taken is covered up with my fourth clip, which is now my third clip, of course. One other way guys is by doing this. I'm gonna press Ctrl Z for doing an undo. And guys, if you are in this habit, okay, if you are from the Sony Vegas background, if you are in the habit of selecting the clip and pressing the delete key on your keyboard, okay, you can do that guys, and this blank space which is there right now, okay, just do a right click on it, and you have an option available which is Ripple Delete. Just click on it and the blank space will disappear once again. Okay, so according to me, that was an important thing that a beginner should be knowing, so therefore I taught you that. It was very easy guys. Go ahead, and I'm pretty sure guys that you will find some use of it when you will be working with any of your Premiere projects. Okay, so remember that thing. Okay, Ripple Delete, awesome tool guys, according to me. I'm pretty sure that you will find a use of it. So let's get started with the next tool. The next tool guys is the Ripple Edit tool. Okay, the previous one guys which I showed you, or this technique which I showed you, was the Ripple Delete. Okay, this is the Ripple Edit tool, so don't get confused. Okay, now let's take a look at what exactly do we have over here. So we have this guy who's looking down right now, then he raises his face up, and I'm gonna actually scrub through this thing right now. And then we have some more shots of that guy. Then we have this yoga woman. So right now we don't need this. I'm just gonna marquee select that thing. I'm gonna press the delete key. And right now, guys, nothing is happening because I am in my Ripple Edit tool. So and Ripple Edit tool will really not help me out in this situation when I want to delete a tool. So I'm gonna press the V key on my keyboard. So select the tool and press the delete key. And yeah, I could have done the Ripple Edit, the Ripple Delete, but that would have not made any kind of sense. Okay, so we're gonna select the Ripple Edit tool once again by using the keyboard shortcut of B, and you'll see the tool gets selected. Now guys, I'm gonna scrub through this timeline when this guy raises his face up over here. Okay, so I don't want all this other, and actually guys, I'm gonna press the I key just to remember, okay, just to mark an endpoint on my timeline, right? So I don't really need all this kind of a footage. Okay, this is all extra footage. I don't need it right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come to this place, and and right now guys, I'm holding down my shift key, and yeah, and I'm holding down my shift key guys for the snap to happening, for the snapping to happen. All right, over here. So I'm gonna go to this Ripple Edit tool, and I'm gonna go to this very end of this video and take a look guys at what happens to my mouse pointer. It automatically changes to this new cursor guys. Okay, when I hold guys, and when I take it back, all right, take a look what's happening in my program monitor. The program monitor guys is showing me the first frame, okay, the first frame of the clip that I'm trying to delete. Okay, so all this extra part guys is gonna get removed, and when I let go guys, I do not have that blank space left. So what exactly has the tool has done is that it has deleted all those other footage, okay, and it has also removed that blank space that would have been created, okay. So that's what the ripple edit tool does, okay. I could have used the razor tool, then I would have split the video in two, and then I would have gone to my selection tool again, selected the part that I didn't want, and press the delete key or ripple edit, that technique. But that would have only wasted my time. So the ripple edit tool, according to me, is pretty useful, right? Go ahead, practice these two things, guys, which I taught you right now into your own Premiere Pro projects, right? And thank you for joining me on this video. Hope you guys like this tutorial. Please watch my other tutorials also, guys. And if you guys like this tutorial, then please subscribe me, okay? Please subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you.